And the government are looking for alternative methods to fairly conduct the NEET 2025 exam. What exactly can happen? What are the possibilities that this exam can face? We'll be having less students, like we will be having less students selected for the next phase. You prepare well for your exam. You are having only 7 months, and if they will be conducting this exam in 2 phases, there are the chances that exam conducted in the March itself or April itself. Hello students, Irashim Mamgai, welcome you here at Physics Wallah. And if you are preparing for the NEET 2025, I'm sure all of you must be well versed with the 2024 NEET scam and controversies. So you know that we have got a lot of articles. I was just going through a lot of news articles in which they were claiming that there are the possibilities of these hybrid or online type online NEET exams in 2025. So you have to be prepared for this also, right? If it happened, you have to be prepared for it. And there are the possibilities that NEET will be conducted in 2 phases, as this is also, like, I was just going through these articles about this also, but it is not confirmed, right? So but you have to prepare yourself for these uncertainties also in your NEET 2025. So prepare, keep your preparation on, and you know that you have to follow your new NCERT. So just do it very well, because obviously they are not going to change any criteria at this last moment. So they just give 1 or 2 years to prepare for students for these all changes. But yeah, they can make these changes in NEET 2025. So let's see what are the possibilities due to the NEET 2025 paper leak controversy and scam. There is a high possibility that NEET 2025 will be conducted online. So NTA, the NEET exam conducting authority, and the government are looking for alternative methods to fairly conduct the NEET 2025 exam. So what exactly, given in many articles, or they might be announcing it by December if they are going to change in NEET 2025, right? So there are the possibilities, and these possibilities are really good for you, because a lot of the students sit for this exam, right? And because of that, a lot of the controversies happened this in NEET 2024 exam, right? So they really don't want to repeat those things. And then if they conduct this exam purely online, we don't have that big level infrastructures. So they have to, conduct exam in different phases. They have to prepare a lot of the question papers. So it will become so hectic, chaotic, and messy process for these people, right? So what exactly can happen? What are the possibilities that this exam can occur in the hybrid mode, right? So it would be like can occur in the phase 1, which will be conducted by NTA, pen paper based offline exam, right? And then they will just release some cutoff based on the marks. So they will just release cutoff, and if those students who are selected or getting that much cutoff, they will be selected for the next phase. And then second phase will be having less students in it, or like we will be having less students selected for the next phase. So next phase perhaps can be conducted by AIMS, CBSE, NB, these exam bodies, right? And it will be like in phase 2, exam will be like advanced level, or you can say the moderate level, more application based question you can find in the phase 2, because before 2013 we used to have the NEET exam or this medical entrance exam in 2 phases, right? So one was the prelim and other one was main. So perhaps they can continue with that phase itself, right? So anything can happen. So be ready if you are preparing for the NEET 2025, at least for these changes. Okay, students, and NCERT. So you have to study NCERT, and you have to go beyond sometime NCERT in order to understand all the concepts very nicely. And they can ask you moderate to application based type of questions, right? So always be prepared for this uncertainty in NEET 2025, and rest they won't be changing anything, because obviously because now you are having exam in another 5-6 months, right? 7 months. So they won't be giving you this much changes, right? So let's say you prepare well for your exam. You are having only 7 months, and if they will be conducting this exam in 2 phases, there are the chances that your prelim exams might be might be conducted in the March itself or April itself. So you just be ready for the exams in April, right? So kids, in case you are having anything in your head, please share it in the comment box and be prepared for these possibilities. So prepare well from the NCERT and plus from your notes, and do a lot of the questions, solve a lot of questions. All the best.